In this tutorial today, we'll be solving for x in this two-step equation. 3x plus 2 equals 14. So here we write it out. 3x plus 2 equals 14. Okay, in this equation, we have two operations here, the addition and the multiplication between 3 and x. Okay, all you just need to do first, let's undo that of the positive sign. So the opposite operation of plus is minus. So what we need to do is to minus 2 from both sides of the equation. Okay, so we are left with 3x. Now this is 0, then equals 14. Take away 2, that will give us what? 12. Okay, now the next operation here is multiplication, because 3x, the operation between them is multiplication. So the opposite operation of multiplication is division. So we divide both sides by 3. So 3 here, 1, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 1, 3 here, and 4. Then x equals 4. Like, subscribe, and please don't fail to share this tutorial to other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.